What's up guys, Daniel Ndukwu here once again. In this video, I'm going to show you something special. I'm going to show you how you can get paid to shop. Yes, companies will actually pay you to shop. They'll reimburse every single one of your purchases and they're going to pay you on top of that. It doesn't get much better than that, right? So I'm going to jump into that in a second. Before I do that, if you want to learn more about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, all that good stuff, subscribe to the channel. And there's also a free email course you can find in the description of this video. And it'll walk you step by step through how to set up your first funnel that produces money like clockwork. Anyways, so like this video and let's get started. You want to go to www. Alright, so you're probably wondering, why on earth would a company pay you to buy products and then reimburse you for all the products that you purchase? Well, the premise is simple. It's called market research. All these larger companies, right, they don't have that hands-on experience that a sole proprietor or a scrappy startup has. Like, there are layers of management. They got stores on the West Coast. They got stores on the East Coast. They got hundreds of thousands of customers. So it's basically impossible for top management to really get involved in the day-to-day running of the organization. But if they don't have a really clear understanding of what's going on, then the company will suffer because of it and slowly go out of business. Like, think about all the old ass companies that have folded over time, right? That's because top management lost touch with what customers really want, how customers are really experiencing their brand. So in order to prevent that, we have what's known as mystery shoppers. Now, I'm sure you've either heard about it or you've experienced it at your job or something. A lot of companies use this. But what many people don't realize is that they don't go out and hire mystery shoppers. They go and hire an agency that then supplies mystery shoppers for a specific geographic region. And those mystery shoppers are independent contractors, i.e. you and me, that gets paid for this. Now, one caveat here, if you're not in the United States or Canada, then what I'm going to show you here isn't applicable to you, but I'm sure there are those platforms in your country, so you're just going to have to kind of look around. Anyways, I'm going to jump on over to the computer. I'm going to show you a few platforms, how to apply, how to start making money through this process. One thing I want to tell you is that you're paid to do this, and then any purchases you make on the job are actually reimbursed. You just got to submit your receipt and all those good stuff. It may take a little bit of time, but you're basically getting some things that you would already buy for free. This platform is called bestmark.com, and it has a bunch of related services, but of course we're interested in the mystery shopper. Now, they serve a lot of huge companies and a bit of small companies, but they specialize in mystery shopping, and they've been around for a couple decades, so they're a really trustworthy brand, and they've been delivering this service for a while, so they're legit and they have a pretty good rating. There are two options here, as you can see. For brands, let us shop for you or shop for us. You can either sign up to become a contractor under them, or you can sign up as a brand. So we're interested in the shop for us so we can make a couple dollars, right? So let's see what that is about. To be very clear, what you're doing is you're shopping, you're sharing your experiences, and you're being paid for it, right? So earn extra money, free meals, or services. So maybe like it's a spa brand and they have a couple branches across the country or across the state. So you can go in there and you want to test the service. You want to see how it is. You want to give them back your personal experience. You can go in there and you get like a free spa day and you're working. There's nothing better than that, right? You can help companies improve their customer services, try new businesses and services. And the thing is that you're applying as an independent contractor. So the company hires this agency, and this agency hires you as an independent contractor. Now, what that means is that the company isn't employing you as a staff. They're like employing you as a freelancer. So you're in charge of, all your expenses and taxes and all those things. Of course, they'll reimburse you, but they're not going to help you file your taxes and things like that. They're going to pay you your reimbursement. They're going to pay you the lump sum for the job, but they're not going to withhold like employer taxes. They're not going to work with you about health benefits. So it's important to understand that when you're getting involved with this kind of platform. There are different types of people or different types of position that you can apply for at Bestmark, right? So mystery shopper, that's probably the one that you're most interested in. And then there's something called intercept interviews. That's when people people are leaving the store, like you kind of just, boom, what's up? I'm so-and-so person and I'm hired by the company. I want to understand how your experience was, etc. You'll identify yourself and you'll ask them if you can have a few minutes of their time so that they can talk about their experiences. And of course, not everyone will agree, but enough people will agree so that it'll be worth your while and you'll be able to derive valuable feedback for these companies. There are also compliance auditors and panelists, like panelists actually going somewhere, answer questions posed by the company, as well as compliance auditors making sure that the individual stores are adhering to company policy, like especially for like restaurants and things like that, because they have some really strict standards, as well as like department stores. Maybe things are supposed to be done a certain way, so you'll go in there and you'll make sure that's what's happening. The availability of jobs depends on, of course, the clients that Bestmark has. During the illness, this probably wouldn't have been making much money, but after the illness, of course, it'll pick up again, right? It depends on the availability of clients with Bestmark, as well as your geographic region. If you're in a small town, then there will be less work available than if you were in a larger city like Toronto or New York or something like that. So another platform that does something really similar but has like a wider scope is called Second to None. Now, Second to None is, look at that red hair. That red hair is gorgeous. I've probably never seen hair so red. If I saw this person on the street, I would so compliment them because that is unique. And I really hope that she wasn't bullied in school. I know people with striking features like this tend to get bullied in school. Anyways, I digress. Let's get back to the matter at hand. Second to None is similar to Bestmark. It just has a wider range of solutions for customers. You can see I work in retail, e-commerce, restaurant, financial services, healthcare, customer products or services. So what they're trying to do is understand who the people that are coming to the company are or coming to the agency are, so they can match them with the right testers, the right type of testers. So when you sign up, you'll fill out a survey, address, all that good stuff, so they can match you with the right kind of brands that will fit your own wants and as well as experience, so that you're qualified to do the work that they're sending your way. So Snapshot is the product of Second to None that we're interested in here, and is very similar to Bestmark, right? And they also have other products like Engage, customer feedback and employee engagement surveys. That's not what we're interested in Scout, brand reputation monitoring. It's possible to be a part of Scout, but that's not really what we're focused on. So we're focused on the mystery shopping aspect. Similar to the other one, you apply to be a mystery shopper and they'll pair you up based on where you are, your experiences, and what you're interested in. Now, the main thing with being a mystery shopper is your ability to relay the information that you've gathered, to the ability to look for the small details, like the small details that really matter in a shopping experience. I remember I went to a luxury hotel a couple months ago. There really is no difference between a luxury hotel and a hotel that wouldn't be considered luxury. The major difference is the attention to detail. When we stepped out of our room at the hotel that wasn't a luxurious hotel, maybe the pillowcases wouldn't be done quite right, or the bed wouldn't have been made by the time we got back. But at a luxury hotel, they take all those kind of things seriously. If you go out and then you come back, like the pillows are all nice and they've been fluffed and the bed has been made. All the trash has been picked up. Everything is in order. And like there's a chocolate on my pillow. I got peppermints in the bowl. I like peppermints. I eat all the peppermints, but they replenish my peppermints for me. I mean, it's those little things that make the difference, that let people know, yes, this is attention to detail. This is luxury. This is worth the money. It's not really the overarching gestures. That's what you need if you want to be a successful mystery shopper. You need to be able to pay attention to those details, because without those details, then a company can't make those informed decisions about what they should be doing with their time, effort, and energy. So a mystery shopper gets paid to shop and gets reimbursed for whatever they buy while shopping for the organization. It's a really cool way to kind of offset some costs of some necessities or even some luxuries that you wouldn't otherwise be able to afford, and get paid for it as well. It's a fun and interesting experience because you get to try out new brands, new products before they even hit the market, or help guide the direction of a company. So there are many ways to take advantage of it. But it's really important that you pay attention to the details. These particular opportunities that I mentioned here, they're only available in the US and Canada right now. But if you do the research, you may be able to find some in your particular country or your particular area. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, damage that like button, pow that like button, and subscribe to the channel. I release multiple videos a week about different strategies, different tactics to make money online. Some of them will give you a couple dollars a day. Some of them will give you thousands of dollars a month. And some of them will produce so much income that you can quit your job and start a new type of lifestyle. There's a course, a free email course down below. Make sure you sign up for that. No strings attached. It walks you through how to get started with building your first affiliate marketing funnel. I will see you in the next video. Ciao.